Hiya, today I'm going to make a quick Greek salad, and this is what you need. So we've got some ancient grain rolls. We have got some feta cheese, we've got some baby salad leaf, some cucumber, pitted black olives, some cherry tomatoes and a red onion. And for a cheaper version you can use a Greek style salad cheese, because that is very nice, isn't it? You've tried some, haven't you?
Yeah, it is, it's good.
And also, if you're doing a salad dressing, you'll have 2 dessert spoons of olive oil, 1 dessert spoon of cider vinegar, 2 shredded basil leaves in it, and grated ground black pepper in it, and that will make a salad dressing as well if you wish. Okay, so I'll just prepare this and get back to you. Right, we've washed the salad leaves, we've cut up a cucumber into like chunks, as you can see. We've done 6 cherry tomatoes which we've cut up, a little bit of red onion, you don't want over onion it. We've done small leaves, cut them in half, and we've got a feta cheese going. So what we're going to do is just put it all together. And then mix it in if you want as well. What's your favourite? Is it the cheese or the black olives?
It's the black olives,
yeah,
I reckon.
Yeah, you can use green olives if you want, but black has a nicer taste, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'll break this up again. So you've got a chunky salad like that. Make it even. But the salad cheese we tried, didn't we? And it has a nice taste, and it's made with cow's milk, isn't it? But feta is done with
sheep's, and sometimes usually sheep's cheese in Greece, I think.
Yeah, yeah. So there, then, is your feta salad with your bread roll. Okay. Now,